everybody, Jennifer Neff here again, the Entrepreneur in Residence at NICON 2025, where we're bringing the system leaders and entrepreneurs together in the health and economy, innovation and economy. So I am joined now by Aidan McGeary from Mude Clothing. Aidan and I were introduced by my former founder of Elemental, who was Aidan's in the Catalyst event final. What date is it? Next Thursday, so we'll wish him good luck for that. And Aidan's also in the pre-accelerator program for Founder Labs as well, which is brilliant. So it was just a natural opportunity to come here today. So Aidan, tell us a little bit about what you're doing and a bit about your background as well, because I think that's really important, and what Mude Clothing's all about.
Yeah, so first of all, Mude Clothing is an adaptive clothing brand. So we create clothing solutions, not exactly clothing solutions for medical device users. So if you have an insulin pump or a stoma bag or a catheter, we're making solutions to allow people to integrate them to their daily fashion. It means that products are kept safe and secure out of harm's way, but also that people don't have to worry about where would my pump go if I wanted to wear this nice shirt or a dress or whatever. We're taking care of that. So I don't take any credit for the idea. My co-founder, Kat, came up with the concept with her best friend with type 1 diabetes and was unfortunately ripping her pump out because she just could not integrate it into her fashion sense. So that was a few years ago. I came on board in July 2023 from a business perspective, and that was to really help take Mude from where it was at that point, which was just a women's underwear brand for insulin pump users, and really take that to much larger scale. So we now make adaptive clothing for any medical device that currently exists. So there are some products that, when we launched the brand, devices that didn't even exist back then that are now come to fruition for Parkinson's and things like that. So we're launching for insulin pump users on the 14th of November, which is World Diabetes Day. After that, we plan to go to stoma bag users and catheter users. But like I said, there will be devices that exist in a couple of years down the line we're making products for that don't even they're not in the market at the moment because of how quickly the tech is advancing and things like that.
And what stage are you at now, and what would really help you now to get to the next phase?
So, like I say, 14th November we're launching our pre-orders. So we're currently in the middle of a launch campaign and building up a wait list. We've been through all of our R&D. We've spoke to hundreds and hundreds of people at this stage, and we have taken a massive focus on the co-design approach. So all of our products are co-designed with the end users. That's everyone from pump users themselves, medical professionals, fashion designers. So we're really confident in the product we have at the moment. We've had 70% of users that tested with us were wearing the product 5 days or more a week, and 80% of them wanted to buy multiple products at launch. So we knew we were hitting the mark in comparison to what currently existed on the market. I suppose the support we need at the moment is getting in front of the charities and big players, the trusts, which is why we're here at NICON today. But also we really need to spread awareness of not just what we're doing as a brand, but the conditions themselves. I suppose the more that people are open to the fact that, diabetes is a thing, people need to wear these devices, the social stigma, if we can get rid of that part of sort of the mindset that a lot of people have, it'll only help us to, bring the brand to the fore of everyone's mind, and especially for the guys that wear the pumps, it's more acceptable to be going and purchasing products for this. We just don't have to be as embarrassed anymore.
And the taking clinicians as well, and who specialise in these particular conditions, and the trusts as well are important.
100%. We have had some engagement, but we can always up that, especially as we get closer to launch. Any sort of pilot trials feedback is going to be crucial. We are launching direct to consumer, but we're very much open, like I say, pilot trials and things like that. So,
and having read the reset plan, what areas of that do you fit right into in terms of being able to deliver on?
I think the biggest one is the part around self-management. So we found a massive increase in the device adherence just by using our product. So people aren't wanting to remove the product as much. The product isn't getting accidentally removed as much because, like I say, it's a base layer product. It's held out of harm's way. So being able to bring that self-management back to individuals wearing our product means that, we've taken care of this for you. It's easier to manage the device, it's easier to manage your condition. Unfortunately, diabetes that we're launching with is a condition that needs to be managed 24/7, so having that integration between our product, the insulin pump, and the continuous glucose monitor and everything working as one is massive.
And so if we're sitting here in a year's time, what do you want to be saying that you've been able to achieve with Mude Clothing in the next 12 months?
I mean, top of my mind, on the 14th of November, so we're kind of in the thick of that at the minute, and we get that over us and have products that are being sold across the UK and Ireland is our initial focus. Ideally, we have people from as far down as County Cork to London to Scotland, everywhere that are wanting to buy the products at the minute. I'd love to be back here in a year's time and say that everything went well, that's a success. Products being used all across the UK, and potentially some of those pilots in the trust as well.
So getting that endorsement from customers, nothing beats that. And also, I know from chatting to you as well, there's early stage conversations around investment as well, which will really turbo boost your business too.
Yeah, so we're currently going through an investment round. We've got our first investor on board and having some really encouraging conversations with some angel syndicates and VCs. Of course, we're always open to more conversations. We're happy to bring people on board at this stage. Unfortunately, the market is exploding massively. I mean, there's 150 million people that are insulin dependent across the world. 100 million catheters consumed every single year, 14 million Stomabag users. I could go on, but my point is that the market is absolutely massive. So in terms of the investment, it's a nice proposition to be able to bring to investors that the return is there, the market is growing, there's no slowdown, and the tech is advancing day on day, so more people are starting to use these devices.
Well, if anyone's able to do it, it's you and Kat. So good luck now with everything. Thank you so much for joining us and spending the morning with us. So big round of applause for our final